Whyner RC1230WN Review Best Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner for Large Rooms? If you need powerful portable cooling for a large room without installing a traditional AC, the Whyner ARC1230WN is an interesting option. But is its dual hose inverter design actually worth choosing? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The ARC1230WN is a portable air conditioner rated at 14,000 BTU under the ASHRE standard and 12,000 BTU under the DOE's ACC rating. Whyner recommends it for rooms up to around 600 square feet. Its biggest advantage is the dual hose system. Instead of using a single hose that can pull warm air back into the room, this design uses separate intake and exhaust airflow. That can make the cooling system more efficient, especially when you're trying to cool a larger space. Another highlight is inverter technology. Rather than simply switching the compressor fully on and off, the system can adjust its output to help maintain the selected temperature. This can improve efficiency and provide more consistent cooling. You also get cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes, along with Wi-Fi control through a smartphone app. The unit can also work with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, making it convenient for smart home users. Setup is relatively straightforward with a window kit included. However, this is still a large portable AC. It weighs around 75 pounds, so moving it between rooms or upstairs can be difficult. The hose assembly also takes up some space around the window. Another thing to remember is that this is a cooling-only unit, so it doesn't provide heating during colder months. Overall, the Whyner ARC1230WN makes the most sense for people who need strong portable cooling for larger rooms and want the benefits of a dual hose inverter system. For a small bedroom, it may be more powerful and expensive than necessary. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if this portable AC would work for your home.